Hey, it's David Farmer, and today we're going to look at Analytics 2.0. Analytics inside of Intice is going to be able to provide information across all of the Intice products, including Leadmaker, Trademaker, Dealmaker, and Loanmaker. It's going to give you high-level key performance indicators such as how many users opened up each application, how many people completed leads, and then multiple different activities that they can take throughout the process. Let's go ahead and take a look at Analytics 2.0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a dealer, and in the menu you can go to Analytics 2.0. And this is still in beta. We're still rolling this out to all of our dealers, but we're very excited about the results that we're able to show inside of Analytics 2.0. Each section is going to be associated with the individual products that we provide inside our suite of products, including Loanmaker, Trademaker, Dealmaker, and Loanmaker. And today we're going to take a brief overview of what metrics that we are collecting inside of Analytics 2.0. So for example, if we look at Leadmaker, we are able to look at how many users are opening the Leadmaker user interface. From there, how many people convert to a lead. In this case, we're looking at a 30-day period, and we've generated 237 individual leads through the Leadmaker system. Out of the 237 leads, we were able to convert 24% of those into appointments. So these are customers that have actively scheduled appointments by selecting appointment day and time, and then submitting that through the ADF lead into your CRM. Out of that, again, we have 38 customers that have selected their next vehicle, 16%, and 18 of those have customized their experience. If you're interested in finding out how the user interface works for Leadmaker, you can see other videos that go through the entire user interface. But inside here, we can also look at the redemption rate, which is 20%. 48 customers have received $25 Visa reward cards from this system, and additionally, we have added an additional 10 Visa reward cards sent as a manual card order. That information is going to be provided in additional videos that you'll find in Intice How To. Also, what you're going to find in Analytics 2.0 is our store visits and sales attribution. This is a service that we have available to all of our dealers where we can integrate the data back from your dealership CRM into the Intice platform and then match up those individual sales and additional visits to the leads generated from each one of the platforms. So in this case, we were able to quantify that 38 sales were derived from leads in the last 30 days, captured from Leadmaker, the Leadmaker technology, plus an additional 47 store visits. Now, moving down through Analytics 2.0, you're also seeing our Leadmaker third-party integration. This is where we are able to take in leads from other sources and automatically register those customers for the $25 Visa reward card offer. This is available to all of our Leadmaker dealers. If you're interested in having third-party lead integration, please reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to walk through the setup for your dealership. But in this case, we had 132 redemptions, and with our attribution, we had 104 visits and 81 sales. Moving on to the next section, we're looking at Trademaker. We had 785 users open up the Trademaker user interface on the dealership's website, converted 211 overall leads. That's almost 1/3 of all customers that opened up the Trademaker system completed a lead. Out of that, we had 9% of the customers schedule an appointment, and 9%, 19 customers select their next vehicle. Both of these features are optional inside of the user interface, and we had 15 of those customers actually request an express cash offer. Now, to do this means a customer has to upload 6 images of their vehicle requesting that express cash offer. That feature also will be covered in a later video. Now, we are able to capture additional information such as the condition selected. You can see the majority was very good. In this case, we had a dealership that opted in for the incentive, the $25 Visa reward card, for customers to visit the dealership showroom for an appraisal. And we had 126 of the 211 registered with an incentive and 40% that did not. This could mean that they registered for the Trademaker offer inside a geofence or maybe previously registered device. But it's great information. We can see that we had 26 redemptions that visited the dealership showroom in the last 30 days. And then we were also able to attribute 97 store visits plus an additional 77 visits that resulted in a sale. So very strong attribution available inside of Analytics 2.0. Moving on to Dealmaker, we had 1,402 opens into the user interface, 258 Dealmaker leads. 62% or 62 customers, 24% added a trade. You can see the selection, the condition selected as well, with the majority at very good. 4 of those customers requested an express cash offer. You can see that 69% of the users customized their options, and some additional information such as credit score lookup, integration with F&I products, how many users of the 258 leads added products, F&I products to their payment, and how many did not, how many resulted in a Visa redemption, appointment scheduled, and then ultimately how many of those netted out to sales with our attribution. So 83 sales plus an additional 85 store visits. Now we're going to wrap up the video looking at Loanmaker. We had 197 customers open the Loanmaker tool. 153 completed a lead, getting their credit score. We had 129 matches, meaning 85% of the customers that entered in their first name, last name, phone number, email address. We were able to match to a credit bureau, and we had 8 of those customers follow through and complete a full credit application that ultimately was sent to either Route 1 or Dealer Track in the dealership's at the dealership's physical location. You can see what the average credit score that was looked up, how many of the 153 were over that threshold, what we currently have that threshold set at, which is a 580, and then the pre-qual amount. Again, we're able to attribute sales, in this case, 31 sales, 20% closing ratio from leads generated from the Loanmaker system, plus an additional 39 store visits. So in this video, we were able to cover the brand new feature, Analytics 2.0, inside the intice dealer portal.